Okay, this is your incision site. In locking continuous also, first you have to place the simple interrupted suture at one end, right? You can use any knot. I will go with the surgeon's knot. Right? After finishing surgeon's knot, you have to cut only the small end, right? And again, you have to go on suturing continuously with the remaining end. Okay? Okay, so in continuous suturing, I will completely pull through this loop, right? And I will go on suturing the next level, right? 2 to 3 mm like this. But in case of locking continuous suture, right? You should not completely pull through, or before pulling completely, right? Like this is the loop. Before completely pulling, you have to pass your needle through this loop, right? Through this loop like this. Okay, so it gets locked, right? Like this. After passing the needle through that loop only, you have to go on inserting for another suture, right? Like this. So I will show you again. So this is the another thing, another suture. So there is the loop, this loop, right? So before completely pulling the needle, you have to pass your needle through this loop again, right? And you have to completely pull through. Okay, so there is the lock. That is the lock. That is the main difference. You can see here right now in the simple continuous sutures, except the first suture, remaining all sutures are the diagonal one, right? They are not perpendicular to the surface of the incision line. But in the case of locking continuous suture, every suture gets oriented perpendicular to the incision line, right? So after that, you have to again insert 2 to 3 mm away, right? Like this. Okay, and there is the loop. This is the loop, right? This is the loop. You have to pass your needle through that loop, right? Like this. So it gets locked. It gets locked. That is why it is called as locking continuous suture. So it can prevent the continuous tightening of the suture as wound closure progresses. That is the advantage of locking continuous suture, right? This is the loop, and you have to pass your needle through that loop, right? Like this. Okay? Okay, so okay, at the end you have to place the knot, surgeon's knot, right, with that loop like this. Okay, right, so like this, and you can cut this one, right? So this is about your simple continuous and locking continuous, right? You can easily differentiate.